Got a quick Bixpy tip for you here. This is on my Vibe Shearwater 125. So I wanted something that I could take the Bixpy off of this kayak and use it on other, like my Seaghost I have over here. So what I do is, it's pretty simple. I'm using the Vibe gravity rudder with the adapter. What I've done to keep it quick release is, if you take a look here, I've just used these Night Eyes clips and I've tied a loop on here, and basically all I've been doing with it, and this is just extra line from Vibe. So I have those on each side for my rudder. Once you can grab them. If you have smaller hands, it might work better. So each side of my rudder, and then for my main line here, I've just got a little guy, and this one's aluminum. These are plastic or nylon. It makes no difference. I mean, they have really held up very well. So I just go ahead and attach it, and then I can pull the rudder line up, or I'm sorry, yeah, pull the rudder line up, and I'm good to go. Makes everything real easy to move from boat to boat. And obviously from a security standpoint, I don't have any issues with that. So tight lines. Thank you.